Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the Aussie dollar just maintained upward momentum. Yesterday, I was saying that it likely was a correction and it was going to go down again. It never broke any structure to the downside, even on the shorter time frames. So there was really no reason to take it as a short. Now, it's so impulsive up that more than likely it is not a 1, 2, 3. I guess this is an ABC. So more than likely what's going to happen in some place around the high of wave B, it's probably going to start a pullback, and then we're probably going to get another wave to the upside. It might even turn into like a wave 1, a wave 2, and a big old wave 3. So keep an eye out for the reversal to the downside for the possible wave 2. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can start to see the structure of this move up. Once we get a break of structure to the downside, then we're likely ending a wave 1 and starting a wave 2. A wave 2 would likely be a crescent to the whole move up. Now, the wave 1 is not over yet, and it could go up and take out these previous highs. It could make another higher low, and it could just keep on pushing up for now. When it does break structure, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up. Then I would look for a big three-wave reversal for the end of a wave 2 and beginning of a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.